Hello students, good morning to one and all. After a long time, again we are getting ready for the study, and it is quite difficult to teach you through offline class, but this is the way to contact you and we can guide you. So students, today we are going to study a different topic, a different chapter. And as you can see the screen, you could understand the which one of this chapter. So look at here, I kept a picture for you. Please look at carefully. You can see there is a boy and he has kept a paper, knife, blade, pencil on the table. If you see the boy who was sitting there, he was crying just because that may be knives or blade may cause a cut, and here it is bleeding. So it is difficult to handle the sharp thing, especially the knives and blades. The next picture, you can see, use an appliance with an adult. While you are using anything, you supposed to guided by your adult, and that is safety. The next picture, a girl who is operating the mobile, which time when the mobile is on charge, and it is very danger. So here it is written, never use a mobile while it is being charged. Okay, the next, you can see the students are in a queue and they are getting inside the bus. So this is the good habit for the students while they are getting in and getting out. So students, we can learn many things from this picture. Okay, so our topic is that being safe. Being safe. The students are requested, those have SST book, you can open with me page number 45. Page number 45. The students, please open your book. Okay. Now you can see here, before going to start this topic, we can see there is a quotation. If you see carefully, you can find this one, safety is gainful, accident is painful. So how to protect ourselves and how to being safe, it is given here. In the first paragraph, we can learn or we can see, safety means prevention from danger, risk or injury. Safety is very important in our day-to-day lives. We should follow the safety rules at home, school and on road. So here it is given, the students, the safety is prevention, and you will prevent from danger, risk or injury. Then how to protect from this danger? So there are some strict rules. That may be at house, that may be in the school, or that may be on the road. So come here. Safety at home. While you are staying at home, so what are the basic rules that you could follow? Okay, the first thing it is written, do not leave things scattered on the floor, you may trip and fall. Yes, of course, some students what they do, they scatter the things here and there. Some students, they never use the dustbin properly. They throw the dust here and there where they like, but that may create the problem. Sometimes you could trapped by that one. Number 2, do not play with sharp objects like knives or blades. You may get hurt. Yes, this thing happened to this boy. The number 3, appliance like electric mixer, toaster, induction, micro oven, these are our common future and we are using this one in the kitchen. But we should be very cautious while using them. And the electric switch, do not touch the switch with wet hand. Before touching the appliance, switch the power off, and it is always better to use it under adult supervision. While you are using electric switch or anything, which one, the electric appliance, so you supposed to do under the supervision of your adult. Sometimes our mothers and father or our brother and sister, they used iron and they leave it for some times, but don't go and sit beside the iron or don't try to touch that one. Maintain safe distance from this type of object. Okay, the next, never try to touch or put your finger into the holes of the electric socket. The electric sockets are kept on the wall and they have different connection, but which one is open, please do not go by yourself and put your finger into the hole, electric hole. Okay, you will get shocked. Never play with inflammable object like matchstick because they cut immediately fire and you may get hurt. So never try to light them on your own, you may get burnt. Like inflammable liquids, kerosene, diesel and petrol, don't keep here and there. If you know the petrol or kerosene or diesel is in your house, never burn anything around that place where they are kept. If you burn, then suddenly they will catch the fire and the whole thing will burn. So try to avoid this thing. In modern days, we are using toilet cleaner, detergent, and especially these all things are kept in the bathroom. So these cleaners contain very strong chemical which can burn us immediately if we touch or if we smell, and they have different smell. So don't try to put your nose and smell this. Okay, then do not talk to or open the door for a stranger. If anyone come to your house, Please find that one, the person. If it is unknown, so never open the door. Go and inform your parents or your elders. Never run on wet floor. Be very careful on the wet floor of the bathroom. You may slip and injure yourself. Sometimes it happens. Some students, they are very naughty. They did not listen their parents, their elders. Sometimes they run here and there, even in the bathroom, and they injured by themselves. So students, please listen your elders, what they are speaking to you. Never do self-medication. When you got hurt or something it is there, you find, never do it by yourself. First, you inform your elders. Never eat stale food. If you eat that one, then you will fall ill. You will become sick. So never eat the stale food. If you ever smell LPG gas, open all the doors and windows. Do not light a fire. If something happened that you smell that gas is flowing everywhere, so suddenly what you will do, you open the doors and windows and don't switch on any electric gadget. Switch off everything, okay? Next, electronic gadgets are useful but dangerous. Devices like mobile phone, tablets, laptops and desktop computer are quite dangerous when not used properly. And never use the electronic device while it is being charged. Yes, it is quite risky. The battery may explode, causing severe harm to you. The next, internet is very useful but could prove harmful too. Use internet for good content and do not visit adult site. If you are small, no need to open this type of website. It is better to install an antivirus in your computer and do not overdo surfing. Surf the net for useful content. While you are using mobile phone or you are watching something in the internet, so do it with the supervision of your elder. No need to open the website by yourself. Okay. So students, I think this much is enough for you. In the next class, we will continue this chapter. The students, may God bless you. Thank you.